Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this Goan Recheado Masala. This masala paste is the heart and soul of Goan cuisine, used to stuff seafood, vegetables and even enjoyed as a curry on its own. If you are new to Goan food, don't worry. I'll break down everything you need to know about this Goan Recheado Masala. So now let's begin with the recipe. First, in a hot pan, add oil, add 2 sliced onion and fry this until it is nice and brown. Then remove this in a separate bowl. Then take a mixer jar, add 9 Kashmiri dry red chilies and add previously made fried onion, add 5 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds, 11 cloves, 1.5 inch cinnamon stick, 14 black peppercorns, 1 cm round tamarind, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons sugar and some salt to taste. Add 4 tablespoons Goan vinegar, 3 tablespoons water and blend this to a fine paste. Make sure it must be something like this. There you have it, a vibrant and a flavorful Goan Recheado Masala, ready to take your seafood, veggies or even a simple curry to the next level. So if you enjoyed this recipe, then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.